Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your app development studio. For example, you are running an app development studio in which users can book consultations or share their ideas with you. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, in which whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your app development studio, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of app development studio, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to Global App Development Studio, while providing me three options such as I have project idea, second is show me your work, and the third is book consultation. If I'll click on book consultation, then bot will respond me by the confirmation of booking consultation with the app development studio. After that, when I'll click on show me your work, then bot will provide me the working details regarding the mobile app development that are occurring in app development studio. So basically this is how our chatbot will work, and it will respond to the customer instantly. At the end of this video, you can create this type of chatbot so easily. Just you have to follow the step-by-step direction that I am providing you in this video. So let's get started. First, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for our different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go on the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credit allotted, your credit consumed, your credits remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. While clicking on this, it will provide you two options. The one is WhatsApp Connect and the second is Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you will click on this, then it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developers. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we will create a separate video for this. I provide the link of that video in the description box. Here you can also create multiple folders. In this section, you can see the active and the inactive status of your WhatsApp number added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond them here also. You don't have to open a WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contacts, in which you can list of your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your chatbots or messages, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used to send bulk messages to many users at once. It is in using approved template. It is useful for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer product, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in which you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer questions or solve problems. Here we will also provide one video of how to use AI assistant. The ninth one is the settings, where you can manage your accounts, team members, integration, API keys, etc. The 10th one is the get help, in where you can tell us about your problem and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, it will create it with the help of Pabbly Flow Builder. So I'll click on the flow. Here you can see this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses with the help of Flow Builder. Here you can also see the total number of flows you are created, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot for our app development studio, so I'll click on this button plus add flow button. See, this is the starting point of our flow. Before starting this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our app development studio, so here I am providing the name. Here I provided the name. After that, let me give you a quick review about these two options. The one is messages and the another is action. Under these messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We can use these buttons in the creation of our flow. On the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button you can save your progress. So let's get started. There are three ways to start our flow. First is keyword, second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can identify specific types of user messages and it can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number or order number, etc. The third one is the choose template, in which you can create any type of template and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. As I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex, so here I am entering the regex. Here I write, with the help of this regex, whenever your customer send any message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them. In the next step, I am adding one welcome message for my customer, so that whenever they send a message to my WhatsApp business account, then my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one media button. Drag this message box here, select a media type as image and upload the image of my app development studio by clicking this button and upload it from here. See, it will upload it. Now I am entering one caption in the enter caption box. Here I entered. After that, in the next step, I want to give some more details about my app development studio to my customer. For this, I am adding one another text button by clicking on this add content button and choose a content type as text plus button and writing the details about the app development studio in this enter message box. Here I write it. In this, I am also ask one question to my customer such as, how can I help you today? Please choose an option below. After that, I am adding some options for my customer. With the help of this add plus button, while clicking on this, it will provide me one enter text box. Here I am providing the three options. The first options I will take is, I have project idea. The second option I will take is, show me your work. And the third option I will take is, book consultation. Here I provided. After that, I will connect the circle of my flow starting point to the welcome message where I wrote the details about my app development studio. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle so that my message is connected to the starting point of my flow. After that, when my customer wants to share their project idea to myself, then my bot will respond to them. For this, I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and write the response that my bot will give it to them. Here I write it. After that, in the end of this information, here I am asked one question to my customer. Would you like to schedule a consultation now? For this, I am providing some options to my customer by clicking this add plus button, and here the first button I will take is book consultation and the second button I will take is not now. After that, I will connect the circle which are present in front of I have project idea to the message that my bot will respond to my customer. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. See, it will connect it. Now, if my customer wants to know the book consultation in my app development studio, then my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and writing the thank you message for booking the consultation in my app development studio. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of book consultation to the message where I wrote the details regarding the booking consultation. Now in the next step, when my customer click on not now, then my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and write the response message for my customer. when they click on Not Now button. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of Not Now to the message where I wrote the response. Now, in the next step, when my customer wants to know about my work, then they will click on this option. For that, I am going to provide them my working details. Here I am adding one another media button. Drag this message box here. Select media type as image and upload the image from here. Basically, I am adding the image in my flow because it is very impactful and increase the customer interest in my app development studio. Here I am adding one caption in the enter caption box. Here I write it. After that, now I am select one add content, choose a content type as text plus button and write the details regarding the mobile app development that are occurring in my app development studio. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of show me your work to the circle where I wrote the details regarding my mobile app development work that are providing in my app development studio. Now the next button is book consultation. If my customer click on book consultation, then the bot will respond to them same. By clicking on this, it will provide me one copy of this message. I'll drag this box here and connect this circle, drag a line to this circle. It will connect it. You can also connect the circle with this circle. The bot will respond to the same. So this is how our chatbot will create it. This is the final look of our Chatflow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for app development studio. After this, you have to click on a save button so that your progress will be updated successfully. Now your bot will respond to your customer. Here I'll give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of App Development Studio. Here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to Global App Development Studio, while providing me 3 options below such as I have project idea, show me your work, book consultation that we were written here. See, I have project idea, show me your work, book consultation. If I'll click on show me your work, then they will provide me the details regarding the mobile app development which are occurring in their app development studio. See that we were uploaded here. After that, when I'll click on book consultation button, then it will respond to me like this. So basically this is how our chatbot will create it. This bot will create it without requiring any coding skill and it will respond to your customer automatically instantly. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about the Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.